So I've been making stuff since like I was a kid, like I think I had an eye for fashion, so there's a lot of stuff that I'm opinionated on when I was younger of what fashion really is and how do you really express it. And I come to realize that it doesn't really take much to show what it means to you. It's how you want to present yourself to yourself. And that's the most important thing about the clothes you wear. I really feel that it's your actual your actual shell, that we use. The only form of freedom that they allow you to use, and it makes sense. But I've always been interested in accessories and how you wear it and what it means to the human body, So I feel so many things are worth expressing yourself through. People tattoo their bodies. I think I will do that. Oh my, oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Let's go. Okay. So, welcome to my page. This is Dip Out. Please, if you like something, say something. I could show you what it really means. You guys, welcome to my domain. You can find anything you need here from me. What do you need from me? Just add your... Whew. Okay. Just add... Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, oh, oh God. You guys, this journey to get here has not been easy, but hey, what the heck? Seems I got some time to learn some stuff, and I do love knowledge. So just hit me with that email, and then I will gladly get back to you. Oh my God. That's my footprint back there. Oh guys, it's getting treacherous. I hear the ocean. It's just getting deeper and murkier, guys. It doesn't look good. Does not look good, guys. Please, Just buy something. Just buy something. You'll like it. Oh. Continue recording.